So we'll be telling you about what the mini projects you are going to be working on very soon is all about. And yeah, all the things you need to know about the mini projects. So let's start. For part-time, we are going to work on different mini projects with what those full-time guys are working on. And also we'll be telling you on how, all the necessary things you need to know about your mini project. So that's basically it. So as you can see from my screen, I'll be reading it. So please guys follow along. For part-time, the mini project says that you have been hired as a UI UX designer by Williams Visuals, a digital agency. They are in need of a website with the style guide you created in the previous tasks. So decide the design the following pages for the agency. So you have to design the landing page, you have to design the service page, and you have to design the contact us page. So I'll be opening a digital agency site, and I'll be telling you on what you have to do. I mean, we're going through the landing page together, we'll be going through the service page together, and you also be going through the contact us page together. For those that can't really see my screen very well, I will advise you change the resolution of your YouTube so it can be clear from your end. So let's take the first digital agency. Sorry. Okay. It's not a must you should use this, please. I mean, this is just for example, just to show you guys what you have to do. You don't have to use this. If you have other digital agency you want to replicate, then that's fine. But what we need is the landing page, the service page, and the contact us page. Okay, so like you all know, the landing page is the first page you see when you go to a website. I mean, the home page. So from the beginning to the bottom is what, let me refer to this, please. Yeah, let's just take this so we don't delay ourselves. Okay, so this is a service page of this this is a landing page, sorry, of this digital agency. And as you can see, it basically talks about what they do, and part of it, you see the services they offer in the digital agency, which is branding, UX design, visual design, and development. And you can see their projects, like the project they've worked on. So you can also see that, and there are other things that needs to be in the landing page. So this is what you're meant to do. Do you understand? What do you think should be in a digital agency landing page? So you should please add that to your landing page as well. Please, you know there's a difference between a landing page and an hero page. An hero page is the first section you see when you come to a site. That's an hero page is the first section of a landing page. So please do not design an hero page for us thinking it's a landing page. So you might want to make your research on what a landing page is. So yeah, that's that on the landing page. Let's go to the service page. So this is it here, a landing page, the service page, and also the contact us page. So we've taken the landing page. So let's go to the service page. So the service page basically talks about all the services this particular digital agency is working on. I mean, it's fully explained. You don't have to do the inner pages. I mean, when I mean inner pages, for example, this is UX design. You don't have to do this page. Do you understand? You can just design out the service page. So the same service page for this digital agency can also be very similar to the same service page of this digital agency. So this is their service page. This BB agency, this is their service page. So you have to do the service page. And also you have to do the contact us page. I mean, the contact us page is the page where you'd reach the agency. Do you understand? Either their address, their phone number, or where you can send them a mail. So this is a sample of a contact us page. So this is what you're meant to do. I repeat, you have to do a landing page, you have to do a service page, and you have to do a contact us page. And also, please, when you are designing, you have to put in mind that all the pages you are doing should relate to a digital agency. So you would not want to do a landing page for a digital agency, you do a service page for a fintech, and maybe do a contact us page for an e-commerce. Please, everything should be for a digital agency so you can have your full marks. With the tags that are going to be published, we are going to give you some resources where you can, check and read up to see what you have to do. You get to have an idea. So that is it about the part-time mini tax, the mini project rather. Also, if you see here, the side notes, do some research on what a digital agency is before you start your project. Do you understand? A digital agency site is different from what a e-commerce site is. A digital agency site is different from what a fintech site is, and it's different from all other sites. Do you understand? They are not all the same thing. So please, you might want to research on what a digital agency is, you get, what they do, so that you can be able to design something out, you get. Because before you actually start designing, just what we told you guys to do, design thinking, the UX and all of that, make your research. We don't need to see your research, you just want to see the design. Do you understand? You are just trying to go make the research on your own so that you understand what a digital agency site or what a digital agency is all about. Do you understand? So you can build something for yourself. So that's about full time. If you have any question, please, you can send it to the YouTube, post a question on the YouTube, but also go to the last message we posted on Slack. So you can drop your question there. I'll be attending to all questions. So let's move on to full-time mini projects. Let's move on to full-time mini projects. So it says, and I read, you have just been hired as a UI UX designer, which you are, by Williams, a SaaS company. They are in need of a project management software. So with the style guide you created in your previous tasks, design out the following pages. Number 1, sign up page. Number 2, a dashboard. Number 3, a landing page. Number 4, a pricing page. And number 5, a contact us page. So before I continue, let me add this. No, you are not to add those interactions. Do you understand? Just design. If you want to prototype, fine, but you just need to see the design. You don't have to prototype. You don't have to add those mad interactions and all of that. We understand that, like, you've not been taught that. So you just need to see your designs. And also, if you read very well, for each of the tasks, for both part-time and both full-time, they said you should design based on the style guide you created in your previous tasks. I'm very sure the task you're working on now is style guide tasks, and you know the style guide is design assets that enables consistency in the product. Do you understand? You will not want your landing page to have that style guide. Then you not want your service page to have another color, or another element, or something different. Then your contact us page will be having the opposite. Do you understand? So please, guys, make sure you work with the style guide you created in this your current stacks. Please, for whatever you're doing, just pick the style guide and work with it. For those part-time, pick the style guide you're working on. Whenever you need color, you can go to your color that you use for your mini project, for your style guide tag, sorry. Whenever you need the button, you can go to the button you created for your style guide tags. Whenever you need anything, spacers, your grid, anything, just go to your style guide tags. That's why we told you to do a style guide, because you're obviously going to do design. So that's what you'll be using for both projects. So please, we don't want to see something different. Do you understand? And to enable consistency. So that's it. Also, one thing you should avoid is to use lorem ipsum. So lorem is like a dummy text. Do you understand? Please, it's not actually encouraged, because we want you to come up with your copy by yourself. I mean, imagine if you work on a project and you give your clients lorem ipsum. I mean, the lorem is not something that is making sense. I mean, if you read it yourself, you see that it's not making sense to you, so you would not want to submit that. Just like this BB agency now, at least you're understanding whatever you're reading here. It's not lorem. Do you get? So please make sure you use the right copy. Do you understand? So that's that on that. So let's continue for full time. There are some couple of sites I've opened, project management software I've opened. So we are just going to go through it. We are going to go through the sign up page for a start. So this is a project management site, and this too, but let's use this. Please, you see this video that is there, you don't have to use it. Please, you don't have to use the video, just design. So let's go to sign up. Yeah, I mean, this is the sign up of a project management. This is not actually what works for everybody. This is just your sign up for this particular site alone. So I'm not saying you should create exactly like this. Just create a sign up page for a project management software. So yeah, obviously you know what your sign up should contain. Whatever input fields you want that you feel it's okay, but please make sure whatever you're doing is the right one. So that's for the sign up. And also, let's go to the dashboard. So let me tell you what dashboard is. So which project would I use? Just imagine any site you go to and they tell you to register. After registering, you're going to move it to the main dashboard. That is what a dashboard is. So let's quickly register on one that is free so that you can see what a dashboard is. So this is my dashboard for this site. Do you understand? This is dashboard for this site. So whatever it is concerning project management that this site has to offer, then I'm going to, I mean, this is my workspace, just like Slack. Do you get? That is your dashboard. That is your workspace. So you're meant to design out a dashboard. Let me use another site, for example. I guess that's not well detailed. I need a site that would give me access immediately, not something that the search come back for. Let's see. Okay, it's loading. Email. Okay. All right. So this is the dashboard. I mean, the page you go to after signing up. This is your workspace. This is your dashboard. So this is the dashboard of this platform, of this site. So you are meant to design a dashboard of a project management software. So guys, please take notes.